Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to remove the radio in an 03 Tundra. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. First thing we're going to do is take the heater blow motor knob out, the heater selector knob, and the indicator knob, and that knob. You're going to remove the 3 Phillips screws, 1, 2, and 3. The last one. Then you have 2 hidden screws here, Phillips, and one on the other side, identical Phillips. So we're going to remove those next. Okay, and now you get your body trim tool, and you're just going to slide it in, pull. And you can put your fingers behind there, give it a good firm pull, and out she comes. Now you have your radio location and your heater control module. You have 4 mounting screws, 1, 2, and then 2 identically on the other side. They take a 10mm socket. Loosen them up. I'll take them out by hand. Now you can grab your radio and just pull it towards you, and then you will see all the connectors. Got this connector here, squeeze that tab, then the main stereo connector. There's a tab back there, pull it, squeeze it, and then the antenna, just pull straight out. Now you have your radio out. To install, you just reverse procedure. I'm going to put the antenna in first, and it just push down firmly. The middle connector, and then this last connector. Line it up flat, slide it in. Now you can re-put in the 4 bolts. I'm just going to bottom them out, then I'll tighten them all in. And you just snug them up with the ratchet. You're done. I'm going to replace it, put it back in. I'm just going to guide it in and then give it a firm push. Then I'm going to remount my 2 top screws and my 3 screws in the center. Get the 2 on the top. One more on this side. And we can put the heating knobs on. Middle tab is going to go opposite of the one with the notch.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.